Improve your OEE. Compete with the best. Managing an industrial production process is complicated. Often the information that we receive about malfunctions, short stoppages, defective products, bottlenecks, etc. is not accurate. Do you know how the most advanced companies do it? Inefficiencies are out of the question because they know that a lack of productivity costs them time and money. For this reason, they use Smart OEE to obtain information in real time directly from their machines to instantly analyze performance, availability, and the quality of their processes. They know that no matter how small, any improvement of their OEE has a direct impact on their results. Smart OEE is not just technology, it's technology to improve. Let's talk.